Hey folks, we are the members of the editorial team of Universal Academy, and today we will communicate with our headmistress, with our director, and with our principal ma'am.
I have a question. We all have seen a huge shift in education with technology, online learning, and new teaching methods. How do you feel about these changes compared to when you were in school?
Thank you, Kanika. It's a great question. Way back in our times, I feel that the education was confined to the classrooms, to the textbooks, and it was run of a mill kind of teaching methods by the teachers. We would not go out and explore ourselves. You are lucky enough that you are using smart class. Technology is there, and somehow I feel that teachers with these innovative methods, they're trying to give you a better education. Learning is happening. Even the abstract concepts can be very easily explained to you all. Supposing you have to visit a space, so there's a virtual tour for it. You don't have to imagine. You can just go to the space yourself in a virtual tour and understand the concepts, where I feel learning is also there and you're enjoying it.